Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a numerical from the chapter Computation of Area and Volume. We are going to solve a numerical of the topic area by coordinates. This method is best when the offsets are taken at irregular intervals. So the given numerical here is from the chainage and offsets given below, find the area between the boundaries, the first and the last offsets and baseline. These are the given chainages and these are given offsets. The chainages are distance of the horizontals and the offsets are the vertical distances from the reference origin. So here solution. From the given chainage and offsets, a point is selected as a origin and the coordinates of all other points are arranged with reference to origin. So we will draw here a rough sketch. Vertical will be the offsets here. So let us consider this as a origin. Then we have at origin this is 0. At chainage of 12, this is 12, 20, 25, 34, 42 and 52. So these are the chainages at the horizontals. This is 0, then 12 meter, 20, 25, 34, 42 and 52. So at 0 the offset is 0 here. At 12 the offset is 6.9. This is 6.9. At 20 offset is 7.6. This is 7.6. At 25 this is 9.8. 9.8. At 34 this is 10.2. 10.2. At 42 the offset is 9.9. 9.9. And at 6.8 at 52 chainage the offset is here 6.8. 6.8. Now we will join all these. Let this be point A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now taking O as the origin, coordinates of all other points are arranged. So these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. This column is for points and this is for coordinates. Coordinates here are X, that is a chainage, and Y for the ordinates here. The points here are the given naming A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and again A. And the given coordinates here are 0, 12, 20, 25, 34, 42, 52. H here is G and H. G is also 52 and H is also 52 for the chainage, and A here is again 0. And for Y we have at 0 this is 0, at 12 this is 6.9, 7.6, 9.8, 10.2, 9.9, 6.8, and at H this is 6.8, and at A this is 0. Now the given ordinates are arranged in a determinant form. The ordinates are arranged in determinant form that is y and x. Here at y we have 0, 6.9, 7.6, 9.8, 10.2, 9.9, 6.8, 6.8 and 0. The x coordinates are here are 0, 12, 20, 25, 34, 42, 52, 52 and 0. Now these are the solids line and these are the hidden lines here. We'll solve this by determinant method. Now this is sum of products along solid line, which is equal to let this be y naught and this is y naught, y1, y2 up to yn, and this is again y naught, and this is x naught, x1 up to xn and x naught again. So this is y naught, yn and y naught. This is x naught, x1, xn and x naught. So the sum of the products along the solid line are y naught x1 plus y1 x2 plus up to yn into x naught, which is 0. So that we have sum of products along solid line here is 0 into 12 plus 6.9 into 20 plus 7.6 into 25 plus 9.8 into 34 plus 10.2 into 42 plus 9.9 into 52 plus 6.8 into 52 and 6.8 into 0, which is 0 into 12 will be 0 and 6.9 into 20 plus 7.6 into 25 plus 9.8 into 34 plus 10.2 into 42 plus 9.9 into 52 plus 6.8 into 52 plus this will be 0, which is equal to 1958. Now this is sum of products along hidden line. This is equal to x naught into y1 plus x1 into y2 up to xn into y naught, which is equal to this 0 into 6.9, which will be 0, 12 into 7.6, 20 into 9.8, 25 into 10.2, 34 into 9.9, 42 into 6.8 plus 52 into 6.8, and this will be again 0. Sorry, I did a small mistake here. This edge, the vertical offset here is 0. This is 0. This y coordinate is 6.8 and this is 0. Here 52 into this will be 0 and this is also 0. I did just a small mistake here. The y coordinate for the offset for our edge is 0 here. So now doing the sum of products along hidden line, we have 12 into 7.6 plus 12 into 7.6 plus 20 into 9.8 plus 25 into 10.2 plus 34 into 9.9 plus 42 into 6.8 plus 0, which is equal to 1164.4. Now area between the boundary by the area coordinates, we have area is equal to half of summation of p minus summation of q, which is equal to summation of p here is 1958 minus summation of q here is 1164.4, which is equal to 1958 minus 1164.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 396.8 square meter. This is all for today's numerical. This is how we solve a numerical by area by coordinates. For further more numerical, we will solve in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.